These cleanups helps free up space on your hard disk, creating improved system performance. This cleanup searches your disk and then shows your temporary files, internet cache files, and unnecessary program files that you can safely delete. So you can direct this cleanup to delete all of those files. To run the disk cleanup in Windows 10, so we need to search the disk cleanup, then click the disk cleanup, then select the drive you want to clean up, then select OK. So from to me, I'll clean the drive C. Then you will see the options. I have 960 MB to delete. So then you can now run or select OK. So if you need to free up more space, you can also delete system files. So let's go back to this cleanup. And let's select clean system files. Then again, select the drive you want to clean up. I'll select drive C and run. So Windows keep copies of with all install updates from Windows Update or even after installing newer versions. So Windows Update or cleanup deletes or compress older versions of updates that are no longer needed and taking a space. You might need to restart your computer. So I'll restart my computer.